Development Project Sing Paikhatpada Ariba Pambi Sing kakthatpagi tangai phadaba laklabadi leinaba Authority Dagi Ayaba hanna Lougadabani haina High Court of Manipur Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phongdorakli imagi mingda chara amamam thasi haina India pumbada chathariba campaign ki saruk ama oina ngase High Court of Manipur ki campus ta chara thabagi thawramda wafam ase mahakna phongdokhibane Manipur High Court amasong Forest Department anina silaga pangthokiba thawram maduga mari leidana Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na paumi singda hai Manipur asi India ki atopa state singa changdam nabada lamdam asigi ising nungshit amadi akoibagi fibum adumak fana leide ngasigi asigumba uchara thabagi campaign sing asina tungda oirakadaba Manipur ki aying asa amadi akoibagi fibum da aduki matek kana papibata natana Nungairaba mafam ama soidana oirakani state asigi development project sing Paikhatpada Ariba Pambi sing kakthatpagi tangai phadaba laklabadi leinaba Authority da hanna khanghalaba matung yanthatpagi ayaba Lougadabani maramde akoibagi fibam phagathanba haibasida aikoi khudingmaksu saruk yafam thoi malemasida mioiba khunaina matam kuina hingba ngamlakliba asi Pambi amasung isingi matengnani Pambi amasung isinga legnariba mari asida mityeng thamduna thauramasi pangthokpane asigumba makhalgi thauramasi Manipur gi district court ki complex singdasu pangthokani haina Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na makhatana phungdokhi.
We have a huge parcel of land on the rear side of this building towards the west, below the mountain, below the hill. And we propose to plant neem trees, kadamba trees, peepal trees, fruiting trees, flowering trees, so that we can, Manipur of course enjoys a wonderful environment. It's not as polluted as most other large cities in the country. But we wanted to do our bit, and we are also hopeful that we should be able to inspire others to plant trees wherever they find enough land to be able to do that. Of course, as my brother puts it, that we will carry this. This program is not limited. This planting is not limited to plantation. Is not limited to just the High Court. We are going to take it to all the district courts in Manipur.
Manipur High Court ke Judge Justice A. Bimol, Justice Golmay Gaiful Silu Kabui, Court asigi Registrar General Ozas Mutum Amade, Advocate General Lenin Hizam Yauna Pangthokpa Thauram Maduga Mari Leinana, Manipur Lenga ke Chief Forest Conservator Longzam Joy Kumar na hai, Chathariba campaign asida India pumbagi oina chara crore chamayangkai thanaba pandam thamle. Mathang tha September faubagi manungda chara crore marifu thagadabane Manipur gi oinasu September thagi aroi basaruk faubada chara lakh kuntra thanabagi pandam lei hairiba campaign ase malem gi oina honglakliba aying asagi khal asidagi kharada oirabasu ngakthoknaba haiduna pangthokpane masida mipum khudingpakna saruk yabiu haina mahakna appeal tawki
citizen khudamang upalmang thaje haiba drive tunaiba aro khoi India gi oina khoi 150 crore thagadobadi aro September lower pesta da khoi 80 crore si thagadom Manipur gi so khoi September lower pesta da 30 lakhs thagadoba target ni ko aro ga khoi handagi sahi stai da 50 lakh thagadoba adu gi drive gi makhadani maru oiba kanodi khoi me pung tingmak khoi u chara mum tharaga khoi ngasi gi environment issue mayam leiba sabe ka lagiba kholiba mayam singo phangtaba khotba mayam se masai da koi punama awareness si leiraga koi contribute tawji haibani environment se ta adugi panding makhadani yamaru oi koi ngasi sam sapling khara thari se sumaina koi appeal tawji ning bari forest department gi side gi nipum khurima ai gi aphang ba jaga singda upalam thabiraga asigi koi punama ya taminaraga konamina